All right, guys, so today I want to go over Power Stroke versus 7.3 Godzilla in the F-250. Which one is better, right? And it's a tough question, right? This is the thing that it's a mixed bag. It's really simple versus complex, right? And let's get into this. So this particular truck I have sitting right here is the 7.3 Godzilla, the big V8. And you know, why do they call it the Godzilla? Because it is the big boy. It is a massive V8, naturally aspirated, just tried and true, old school engine. And you know, in this day and age, in 2025, or no, we're in 2026, there is not many of these left. Puts out a ton of horsepower for what it is. And you know, the way your power hits, it's always hitting, right? It's not a turbo where you have to spool up. It's just hitting that power. The power curve, right, is constant. And that's, you know, to be honest with you, that's what I love about a V8. That's what I love, you know, even in a 1500 is what I love about the V8s. But guys, the V8, this Godzilla versus the 6.7 Power Stroke, right? Let's get into engine design first. So in the Godzilla, you have a pushrod V8, cast iron block, forged crank, port injection, no turbo, no def, simple, right? So not all super high tech, crazy horsepower torque, right? It's a simple system, simple setup. And for most guys, you know, it's a basic setup that works, right? So it's not the best at everything. It's the best at some things, and really it wins in simplicity, right? You go to a 6.7 Power Stroke, you have a CGI block, right? You have aluminum heads, you have a very high pressure fuel system. Turbo is in the valley between the heads, right? And it's set up to optimize horsepower and torque. It also has the full emission system. You got to run DEF fluid in it. It gets complex. You have a ton of different sensors, right? But in all that being said, there is nothing like a diesel engine. There's nothing that tows like the diesel engine. You know, that 6.7 Power Stroke putting out 500 horsepower in the high output, 1,200 pound-foot of torque, or 475 horsepower in the standard, 1,075, 1,050 pound-foot of torque. It's freaking amazing. The gas is the 7.3 Godzilla. It's massive for what it is. But again, you know, this engine, get to this so I don't mess this up. You know, this thing's only putting out 430 horsepower and 485 pound-foot of torque. So again, half of the torque that 6.7 Power Stroke gives you, horsepower is what, 50 less, right, than the 6.7 Power Stroke. But the difference is you have a V8 that hits the whole time versus that turboed 6.7 Power Stroke that, you know, you're hitting that turbo. You gotta let that turbo hit, let it wind up, right? They don't have much turbo lag compared to what they may be used to, but you still have turbo lag. You still have a very complex system. And honestly, guys, the biggest thing there is that high pressure fuel system in the 6.7 Power Stroke. Very complex, very complicated, and it has to be that way because of all the horsepower and torque that it's putting out. So again, where does the Godzilla V8 win? It's in the simplicity, the setup, that, you know, the engine that can run forever, really, and can withstand a ton of abuse. And, you know, I guess this is the other piece too, guys. Any diesel engine, it needs to be driven, right? You have to, and especially now with the emission systems, you have to run them hard. You can't run them for a short distance and park them. Long term, hard on the engine. This Godzilla V8, you can do whatever the heck you want to it, right? You can jump in this thing, pedal to the metal, 60, 70 miles an hour for 5 minutes and park it. It's not gonna hurt the truck. So again, you know, and you don't have to run premium fuel in it, right? You just run regular gasoline. You're not running diesel fuel, which right now, heck, you're paying $6 a gallon for diesel fuel. You're paying, you know, just pay for regular gasoline. That's a big savings right there. You know, so again, we'll get into some of the fuel economy ratings in a little bit here. But guys, the next piece I want to go over is towing. So again, this is one of the points that with the Godzilla V8, towing it's not on the same page as a 6.7 Power Stroke. So 7.3 Godzilla, 17,000 conventional, 18,000 fifth wheel. The Power Stroke is around 20,000 conventional, up to 22,000 fifth wheel, right? Again, these are estimates because, again, depending on how you exactly have your truck equipped, it's going to vary. The higher the trim, the lower the tow rating. The lower the trim, the higher the tow rating, right? So that's all going to play into it. But the bottom line is 7.3 Godzilla is running about 3,000 to 4,000 pounds less fifth wheel and conventional than a turbo diesel. And to be honest, towing with this Godzilla V8, you can tow. I mean, yeah, it tows. It's a monster. It will tow it, but you know that you have a heavy trailer behind it. You're going to be running at higher RPMs, probably 4,000 to 5,000 RPMs when towing, just to keep that, keep the power to stay at 60, 70 mile an hour when you're towing with this Godzilla. The 6.7 Power Stroke, you're not going to feel that trailer behind you as quickly. It's going to tow very smoothly. And I guess the other piece here is the way the transmissions are going to act. With the Power Stroke, transmission's going to shift pretty dang smoothly. You're not going to feel, again, you're not going to feel the trailer as much because it's just the way that the engine trans combo works, it's very smooth. With the Godzilla, it's using the transmission to slow down. It's constantly dropping gears. So if you're like, hey, I'm doing 60, I got to bump to 65, it's going to drop a gear or two to give you that power to get up to speed. Where the diesel, it might downshift slightly and then go right back into that gear it was at because it has the extra horsepower and torque. So again, transmissions are going to feel completely different on these two trucks, even though they are the same 10-speed transmission. But that's, again, something to keep in mind. The Godzilla V8 is not going to effortlessly pull your trailer like the Power Stroke will. So again, guys, engine trans combo, that Power Stroke is going to win all day. But where the Godzilla is going to win is for the guy that's not towing heavy all the time. This truck can still pull a lot of weight. So if you're saying, hey, I want something to maybe pull the camper a couple times a year, truck's going to do it all day long. It's just not going to do it as well as the Power Stroke. If you're towing for work, you're towing heavy consistently, the Power Stroke then is the better option, hands down. The other piece that I will mention, guys, is your Power Stroke has the diesel exhaust brake. The Godzilla V8 does not get the diesel exhaust brake, right? It does not have any exhaust brake built in. That's also where the diesel engines are going to win. It's using that exhaust brake to help you slow down. Makes a big difference when trailering. The Godzilla V8 does not have that, and that's where it's going to use the trans more to help you slow down. So it's using, trans and brakes. You're going to use that a lot harder on the V8 than you will on a diesel engine. As far as trim levels on these trucks, so 7.3 Godzilla, you can get this engine in every trim level except for a limited. So that's XL, XLT, Lariat, Platinum, King Ranch. You can get that Godzilla V8 in any of those trims, which I guess is my point in this is it is not just the work truck engine. This is also the premium truck engine, right? You can get this in a top line trim. And that's why, again, guys love it because you're not limited, right? You're not saying, hey, I want to get a King Ranch, but I want the big V8. No, sorry, it's not available. It's only in the work trucks, right? No, you can get this engine in, all the high-end trims. The engine that they make that's just in the work trucks is their 6.8 liter V8, which I did a separate video on that. Another solid engine, but again, the 7.3 is definitely their premium V8 gas engine in the 250 and 350. So again, you can't get in the limited trim, can't get in the very top. That's only available on a Power Stroke. But every other engine, every other trim, you can get this engine in. All right, so guys, the other big thing, right? Diesel versus gas, cost of ownership, maintenance cost. What does it actually look like to own 7.3 Godzilla versus the Power Stroke? And this is the honest truth. The diesel engines are always going to be more expensive. This gas engine, cheap to maintain, cheaper to fuel up. You're not having the extra emissions crap on the V8, on the gas engine. So really, that diesel engine is going to pay off if you're driving the truck every day, if you're using it for work. You're basically writing down your expense. That's where your diesel engine really pays off. or heck, you're traveling the country in your fifth wheel camper, right? Diesel engine makes sense all day. Don't get me wrong. I would way sooner drive the diesel truck over a gas. So if you have the money, you're gonna go diesel truck all day long because it does drive better. Like overall, it does drive a lot nicer. A lot of that comes down to the trans engine combo, exhaust brake, right? All of that stuff does make a difference. Guys, okay, last point, fuel economy, right? So again, EPA does not give you exact, but estimated fuel economy, 7.3 V8 is 13 to 16 on the highway, 11 to 14, combined, right? And then 6 to 10 when towing. So 6 to 10 mile per gallon when towing sucks, but you're only running regular gasoline in it, not diesel fuel. The diesel power stroke, 18 to 22 on the highway, 15 to 18 combined, and then towing's 10 to 14. So gas engine basically cuts that, this Godzilla V8 basically cuts fuel economy when towing in half, which is terrible. But it's something to keep in mind, right? Again, is that a big deal if you're not towing every single day, if you're not using this to tow all the time? Not at all, right? So again, all stuff to keep in mind. This is again why though, for the average American, for the average person, this Godzilla V8 makes perfect sense. It's a great engine. Your maintenance cost, your cost to run it long-term are gonna be a lot less than that Power Stroke diesel. And again, that's what it boils down to, guys. It's cost of ownership, maintenance cost. What is it like to drive? What does it feel like towing? How does it tow? All those things make a big difference. But you guys tell me, which one would you rather own? Which one do you own? Power Stroke or Godzilla V8? Again, if you value honest truck reviews like this, be sure to hit subscribe, guys. I appreciate you watching.